but it's in pending mode, not in published mode. And this all sub admins showing here. So now you can see here we have different blocks, and we have pagination where each page has 10 blocks, and we have different pages and like a 287 page also. And we have categories like all blocks, pending blocks. Like in pending blocks do not have any pending block. Uh, we have pending blocks also, you can see here. And we have published blocks, and all published blocks are showing here. Here you can see all published blocks are here. And if we click decline blocks, then you can see our decline blocks are here. So this is the categories. And now I just explore and tell you about the authentications. You can just write a register, write any name like universal email, write email universal blog @gmail.com. Write password, and password must be at least 8 characters with at least one uppercase letter and one number. For example, Google Password Manager create a strong password, use strong password. Okay, so we just registered this. And now this app BlogNetwork.live sends OTP in email. So we just open the email. Here you can see Blog Network is sent OTP, and we just copy this and paste on here and verify. If this is correct, then automatically we go to dashboard where we can see all things. Here you can see with 0 articles and 0 views, and here you can see the total articles. And it means that in sub admin dashboard, uh, this user has not articles, and if articles is 0, then views is also 0. So he just add article like just for YouTube, and write select category, select